Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to tell you an interesting story of two brothers. Who are they? A and Anne. They live in a family called Articles. Which is the family? Articles. And the brothers are A and Anne. So both of them, they go to the school also. In their class there are 26 students. How many students there are? There are 26 students in their class. So जो N है, it is little bit shy. वो थोड़ा सा शर्माता है, shy है. So उसके friends भी कम हैं because it talks very less. So what is the name of his friends? These are A, E, I, O, U. Right? So what are the names of his friends? The name of Anne. Anne's friends are A, E, I, O, U. So how many friends Anne has? 5 friends. Right? And his second brother A. It is very naughty and it loves to talk to others. It loves to make friends also. And जो A है उसके बहुत सारे friends हैं. कितने friends हैं? 21 friends हैं. Who are they? Let us see. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So total A has 21 friends. And अब इनके दो ग्रुप बने हुए हैं ना. जो एन है उसने अपना ग्रुप बनाया है वॉवल्स. राइट? तो वॉवल ग्रुप में कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं? 5. विच आर दे? A, E, I, O, U. सो एन हैज 5 फ्रेंड्स और उसके फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप का नेम है वॉवल्स. और जो A है उसने भी अपने ग्रुप का नेम रखा. वो क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स. और कॉन्सोनेंट्स में कितने फ्रेंड्स हैं? 21. राइट? सो दीज all friends, they do not talk to each other because they have maintained their own groups. उन्होंने अपने अपने ग्रुप्स बनाए हैं. राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. लाइक अब आपको ये याद रखना है कि कोई भी जो वर्ड है जो A, E, I, O, U से स्टार्ट होता है वो किसके ग्रुप में जाएगा? एन. राइट? और उसके बिना जितने भी लेटर्स आते हैं B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, राइट? ये सभी टिल Z. तो वो उसमें से हमने A, E, I, O, U को निकाल देना है. राइट? तभी वो कितने बनेंगे? 21. तो वो जो कॉन्सोनेंट से कोई भी वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है वो कौन से ग्रुप में जाएगा? A के ग्रुप में. राइट? सो हियर यू सी डॉग. D. Dog starts with D. तो and D is a vowel or consonant? Consonant. So a dog. तो जब भी आप किसी भी वर्ड को बोलते हो या देखते हो एंड यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि आपको उसको किस ग्रुप में डालना है, वॉवल में डालना है या कॉन्सोनेंट में डालना है, तो फर्स्ट हम क्या देखेंगे? उसका फर्स्ट लेटर. राइट? लाइक जिराफ. G. It begins with G. And G is in which group? Consonant. So what will come before giraffe? A giraffe. Block. This is a block. We play with it, right? B. B. A block. तो ये भी गया A के ग्रुप में, consonant ग्रुप में. This is again glass. Glass. G. Again G. So a glass. Now look at the star. Star. A star. Because it begins with the consonant S. And now here what we have? A mouse. You can see a mouse. And mouse begins with M. And so in which group it will go? Consonant. A mouse. Right? Now C. Candle. C. It will also go in consonants group. A candle. So now see students, अब जो consonant है उसके पास तो बहुत सारे friends हो गए हैं, right? Now let us see some more objects. Orange. O. It begins with O, so it will go to vowel group. An orange. Ant. So now see, this is an ant because it begins with a vowel. And now look, see. What you can see? A monkey, and an elephant. An elephant. Now what is this? What you can see? This is octopus. It begins with O. So what will come? An octopus. Right? So students, here I am showing you some more things. What is this? Banana. So it begins with B. Banana. A-E-I-O-U. No, it doesn't begin with A-E-I-O-U. It is beginning with B. So what will come before it? A banana. Now see. What is this? Mango. A mango. Right, students? So now here we have some more examples. Let us revise them. I have dash pet dog. So P and D both are consonants. What will come here? A pet dog because P is a consonant. She has dash ink pot. Now ink pot begins with I. So it is a vowel. Right? So she has an ink pot. Soumya is dash egg. What is this? Egg. Egg begins with E. So it is a vowel. What will come here? An egg. तो आप जब भी a and an का यूज करते हो आपको उसके साथ वाला वर्ड चेक करना होता है, राइट? कि जो वर्ड है साथ में जो नाउन दिया हुआ है it is beginning with A-E-I-O-U और it is beginning with any consonant. अगर वो किसी भी वॉल साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, A-E-I-O-U से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तब हमने क्या लगाना है? एन, राइट? तब हम उसको वोवल ग्रुप में डालते हैं एन, राइट? एन आर्टिकल विल कम एंड इफ द नाउन इज बिगिनिंग विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट with like this boat, giraffe, table, pencil, right? So all these nouns are beginning with consonant. So we will use a before these nouns, right? So there is dash boat. So now here B is there. What will come? A boat. I can see dash birdie. Again it is beginning with B. A birdie. He chopped dash onion. Chop means cut karna, right? He chopped dash onion. So it is beginning with O. We use and with vowel sound, right, students? So keep this thing in mind. Whenever there is any vowel, any word starts with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. 5 vowels, right? We will use an before the word, and if the word is starting with a consonant, right, we will use a before it, right?